digitalize learning tools, and equip our local teachers and students in Romblon with world-class educational tech. Okay, we want to invite now Sir Randy Faigmani to join our dignitaries para po sa ating MOA signing.
On your stage. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
We have the turnover of checks for the Rail Local 5 project. So in communities where internet connectivity remains a challenge, access to information and digital learning can also become a challenge. Local 5 addresses this gap by bringing connectivity and digital resources closer to learners and communities.